Hello my dear students, we are studying polynomials, and in our previous video we were doing the exercise 2.5 of NCERT. In this video also we'll continue the same exercise. So we have question number 10 of exercise 2.5. Its first part is we have to factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. This is in the form, see 27 होता है 3 का क्यूब और y क्यूब होता है y का क्यूब. तो 27 क्यूब y क्यूब is the cube of 3y plus 125 is the cube of 5 and z cube is the cube of z. Finally, 125z cube is the cube of 5z. Now this is in the form a cube plus b cube. We have an identity for a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. We use this identity and factorize it. In one bracket, in the first bracket there is a plus b, in place of a there is 3y, in place of b there is 5z. So this becomes 3y plus 5z, and the other bracket a square means square of 3y minus 3y into 5z plus square of 5z. On simplifying, 3y plus 5z, square of 3y, 3 square is 9, y square is y square, 3 5s are 15, yz, 5 5s are 25, z square. So this is the factorization of 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now we have its second part, 64n cube minus 343n cube. 64 is the cube of 4. 4 into 4 16 and 16 into 4 64. n cube, 4n का cube. 343 अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है किसका क्यूब है, आप 343 के फैक्टर कर लो. 7 4 जा 28, 7 7 जा 49, ये 7 आपका 3 टाइम्स आता है. इसका मतलब 343 is the cube of 7 and n cube is the cube of n. Finally 343 n cube is the cube of 7n. So a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b. a minus b. कौन सी आइडेंटिटी से आप कर रहे हो इसे, वो आइडेंटिटी यहाँ लिख लो. a cube minus b cube is a minus b. नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट a square plus ab plus b square. तो ये हुआ a minus b square of a plus a into b plus b square, that is square of 7n. And now simplify. 4n minus 7n, 4 square is 16, n square, 4 7s are 28, mn, 7 7s are 49, n square. And the factorization of 64 n cube minus 343 n cube is 4n minus 7n. Next bracket 16 n square plus 28 mn plus 49 n square. Now question number 11, factorize. It is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy z. You can think of the entity that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc and arrange the given polynomial in that form. 27x cube is the cube of 3x, y cube is the cube of y, z cube is the cube of z minus 3a b c. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 a b c, 3 3 9 x y z. Identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 abc is a plus b plus c in one bracket and the other bracket a square plus b square plus c square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What is that? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Use that identity and factorize it to a plus b plus c in one bracket, in the next bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab यानी minus 3x into y minus bc minus y into z minus ca, that is minus z into 3x, and simplify them. 3x plus y plus z in one bracket, square of 3x is 9x square plus square of y is y square plus square of z is z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So factorization of the given polynomial is 3x plus y plus z, the next bracket 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. Next question is, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals half x plus y plus z in the next bracket x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. We take the right hand side of the given polynomial, given expression, that is half x plus y plus z in the next bracket x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x whole square. Half x plus y plus z. X minus y square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. So x minus y square is x square minus 2xy plus, similarly y minus z square is y square minus 2yz plus z square. Then plus z minus x square is z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now half x plus y plus z, x square and x square on addition 2x square, y square and y square is 2y square, z square and z square is 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now from 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, 2 is common. That 2 common will come in the beginning. So So 2 into 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z, यहाँ से 2 सबसे कॉमन हो गया, ये हो गया एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स। ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया एंड नाउ वी हैव एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इन वन ब्रैकेट। इन नेक्स्ट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर minus xy minus yz and minus zx. You see, and this is in the form a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So it becomes x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and same is the left hand side of the given expression. So when left hand side and right hand side both are equal, it means the given expression gets verified. Now question number 13. If x plus y plus z equals 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals, and it is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. In this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, x plus y plus z, it is given that x plus y plus z equals 0, so we put 0 in place of x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 एक्स वाई जेड इक्वल 0 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 0. नाउ एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब प्लस जेड क्यूब, ये माइनस 3xyz राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होगा, देन दैट इक्वल्स 3xyz. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव इफ x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. So we have proved with the use of x plus y plus z equals 0 that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Now question number 14. We have to find the value of minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. एक मेथड हो सकता है कि इसका क्यूब करें फिर इसका क्यूब करें फिर इसका क्यूब करें और सिंप्लीफाई करें, बट हमको इसका एक्चुअल क्यूब नहीं करना है, हमें आइडेंटिटी का यूज करके इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. दिस इज ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब. इन प्लेस ऑफ ए देयर इज minus 12, in place of b there is 7, and in place of c there is 5. So we see whether a plus b plus c is 0 or not. A plus b plus c, ये हुआ -12 plus 7 plus 5. -12, 7 and 5, 12. -12 plus 12, 0. When a plus b plus c equals 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals 3abc, means -12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals 3 A B C. A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals 3 AB C. Now multiply them. 3 into minus 12 is minus 36. 7 into 5 is 35. Now 36 and 35 are multiplied. 36 into 35. 5 6 is 30. Carry over 3. 5 3 is 15. 3 18. 3 6 is 18. 3 3 is 9 1 10. 8 plus 8 16. 1 plus 1 2. That is 1260 minus 1260. Now next part, 28 whole cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 whole cube. In place of A there is 28, in place of B minus 15, in place of C minus 13. First we see whether A plus B plus C is 0 or not. So A plus B plus C. 28 plus minus 13. So 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13. 28 plus minus 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 15 plus minus 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 13. Minus 15 minus 13 is minus 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. We see that A plus B plus C equals 0. Therefore, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals 3ABC. That is 28 A cube plus minus 15 B cube plus minus 13 C cube equals 3A B into C. So A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals 3ABC. Now multiply 28 into 3, 84 minus minus plus 15 into 13, 15 3 is 45, carry over 4, 15 1 is 15, 4 19, and now we have to multiply 84 and 195. 195 into 84. 4 5 is 20, carry over 2, 4 9 is 36, 2 38, carry over 3, 4 1 is 4, 3 7. Now multiply by 8, 8 5 is 40, carry over 4, 8 9 is 72, plus 4, 76, carry over 7, 8 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15. Now add them, 0, 8, 7 plus 6, 13, and 5 plus 1, 6. 1 6 3 8 0. 1 6 3 8 0. So 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube is 16380. Now area of rectangle is given in the form of a polynomial 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and we have to find the possible expressions for the length and breadth of this rectangle. For that, first we factorize 25a square minus 35a plus 12 by splitting the middle term. So for that you multiply 25 and 12. 25 into 12. Write the factors of 25 and the factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now you need two numbers such that their sum is 35 and the product is 25 into 12. Such two numbers will be 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20, and 5 into 3, 15. That is 20 and 15. 20 plus 15 is 35, and 20 into 15 is equal to 25 into 12. So 25 a square, 35a can be written as 20 a plus 15 a plus 12. 25a square. Now break the bracket. Minus 20a minus plus minus 15a or plus 12. From the first two terms, see what is common? From 25 and 25 is common. From a square and a is common. 5 5s are 25. From a square, a is common, a is left. Then 5 4s are 20, a is common. Now leave some place for the sign and put the next bracket. There is minus sign in the first bracket, there will be minus sign in the second bracket also. Plus minus minus 15 and 12. From 15 and 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 is common. Now 3 5s are 15, a, 3 4s are 12. So 5a minus 4. 5a minus 4 is common from both. So 5a minus 4 common from the first term 5a, from the second minus 3 is left. You can write it as 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. You know, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. You see, this comes 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Then any one of these can be the length of the rectangle and other one will be the breadth. Means if this is the length, then this will be the breadth, and if this is the length, then this will become the breadth. The possible expressions for the length and breadth are 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. The second part of 15th question, area of rectangle is given 35y square plus 13y minus 12, and we have to find the possible expressions for the length and breadth of this rectangle. For that we factorize it by splitting the middle term. So multiply 35 and 12. Factors of 35 are 5 into 7. Factors of 12 are 2 into 3. We need to form two numbers such that their product is 35 into 12, and by subtraction we should get 13. Such two numbers are, this is 2 into 2 into 7, 28, and 5 into 3, 15. 28 and 15. 28 minus 15 is 13. So 35 y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. 35 y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. 35 y square and 28 y square, 7 is common and y is common. 7 5s are 35. From y square, y is common, y is left. 7 4s are 28, y is common, leave some place. Plus sign in the first bracket, put a plus sign in the next bracket also. Plus minus minus, from 15 and 12, 3 is common. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Now 5y plus 4 is common from both. Inside there is 7y minus 3. So length, area of rectangle you know is length into breadth, and this equals 5y plus 4 into 7y minus 3. So one of these can be the length and the other can be the breadth. The possible expressions for the length and breadth of the given rectangle are 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3. Now question number 16. Volume of cuboid is given 3x square minus 12x, and we have to find the possible expressions for the length, breadth and height of the given cuboid. For that we factorize 3x square minus 12x. You see, from 3 and 12, 3 is common. From x square and x is common. 3 ones are 3. From x square, x is common. X is left. 3 fours are 12. X is outside. So we have 3x, x minus 4. You can write it as 3 into x into x minus 4. And you know that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So any one of these can be the length, any one can be the breadth, and any one can be the height of this cuboid. So possible expressions for the length, breadth and height of the given cuboid are 3x and x minus 4. The second part of question number 16. Volume of cuboid is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k, and we have to find the possible expressions for the length, breadth and height of the given cuboid. So for that we factorize the given polynomial. You see 12, 8 and 20. From 12, 8 and 20, 4 is common. 4 is common. Then from k, and k is common. Now 4 3 is 12, k is outside, y square is left, plus k is common, 8, 4 2 is 8, k is common, y is left, minus 4 5 is 20 and k is outside. Now we have 3y square plus 2y minus 5, and this can be factorized by splitting the middle term. So we need two numbers such that the product is 3 5 is 15, and by subtraction we should get 2. Such two numbers are 5 and 3, and 2y can be written as 5y minus 3y. Now minus 5. 4k 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. 4k, from the first two terms y is common, that is 3y plus 5. In the next two terms minus 1 is common, 3y plus 5. Then 4k, from both 3y plus 5 is common, so y and minus 1 is left. This is 4k into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. And you know that volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So possible expressions are 4k 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. Okay, that's all for this video. We have completed the topic polynomial from NCERT. We'll continue this topic in our next video. We'll solve some more problems, some extra problems. In the next video, you can note the content from the PDF which is attached in the description box. Thank you.